Welcome to our channel. If you need to unpair your Samsung Galaxy Watch from your phone, follow these step-by-step instructions to disconnect safely. Step 1. Make sure your Galaxy Watch and phone are close to each other and both have sufficient battery. Step 2. Open the Galaxy Wearable app on your phone. Step 3. Tap the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner of the app. Step 4. Tap Disconnect from the menu options that appear. Step 5. A confirmation message will appear explaining that unpairing will reset your watch. Review this information carefully. Step 6. Tap OK or Disconnect to confirm you want to unpair the watch from your phone. Step 7. Wait for the unpairing process to complete. The app will automatically create a backup of your watch data before disconnecting. Step 8. Your Galaxy Watch will automatically reset to factory settings once the unpairing is complete. Step 9. The watch will display the welcome screen with language selection, indicating it's ready for a new setup. Step 10. On your phone, you can now remove the Galaxy Wearable app if you no longer need it, or keep it to pair another watch. Step 11. If you plan to sell or give away the watch, make sure to remove your Samsung account by going to Settings on the watch and selecting Reset. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.